I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to design Audi RS7 in car parking multiplayer, easy method. Start by entering the garage and selecting the Audi RS7 base model, then pick a base color that matches your vision. Next, choose wheels that fit the RS7 profile and lower ride height slightly for a sporty stance. Add subtle decals and chrome trim, keeping details proportional, and preview the car from multiple angles before saving. Start with choosing a primary paint and decide between matte or metallic finish for the Audi RS7. Apply a contrasting accent color to about 1/4 of the visible panels for a balanced look, such as mirrors or roof. Tweak clear coat and gloss settings to control reflections, and preview under day and night lighting to ensure the finish looks natural. Save presets to reproduce the same style quickly on other cars. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like to support the channel and future guides. Quick recommendation: life is short, wear comfortable, reliable gear. I love darn tough socks for long build sessions, and they come with a lifetime warranty, perfect for long gaming nights. Check the description for the product link and other deals so you can grab a pair. Thanks, and now let's get back to the video. Choose wheels that align with RS7 proportions, and pick a diameter that fills the arches without rubbing. Paint brake calipers a bright color for a performance touch, and apply carbon fiber accents on mirrors and rear diffuser for realism. Adjust spoiler height and front splitter incrementally to keep balance between aggression and practicality. Review the car in motion to ensure wheel choice and aero parts appear consistent and natural.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.